When you open the new software 11.5, it comes on quick, based on your machine, of course. This is a Windows 7 version, so it's a little bit slower machine. The newer your machine, hopefully the faster it operates. I've been working on turning logs into lighthouses. That's the setup, or the vectors that I've drawn. Let me show you a quick sample of what it looks like. I preview all of them. It's going to cut the lighthouse slope. Of course, most lighthouses, not all, but most of them are tapered. So I have a tapered section, and then this is my divider point right here. That's what it'll look like. Hopefully it'll look better than that, but we'll see how it turns out. It's out of the natural log. I'm cutting it here, and then I'm going to mount a prism, a rainbow prism on top. The base itself is mounted on a slab as well. So it looks kind of rustic, but it's artistic, if you will. I think it's pretty nice. So that's one of my new projects that I'm working on. This is the log that I'll be starting with. I'm going to drill a hole in the end and mount a 1/2 inch wooden dowel in it, and I'm trying to get it on center so it's straight, which is hard to do. And this is after the log has been turned down initially. Basically turn it down to 2 1/4. This one's a small log, and then it does the lighthouse on either side, and then finishes the project with the slot in the middle. Then I cut it in half and cut the ends off if they need to be cut off, and then stand them up. There's the prototypes. One's larger, one's smaller, based on the size of the log, but it's pretty interesting. Different colors. They're pretty. At least I think they are. I might be biased. Who knows? Each creation is different. There they are, lighthouses. I just got crystal balls on order to go on top, and then I'll probably put them up for sale on Etsy. Have a great day.